Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Told you about Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro reaction? Its introduction, reaction condition, reactants, product, general reaction, mechanism, and different steps involved in the mechanism of this reaction. So today I am going to discuss the different types of Cannizzaro reaction. There are three different types of Cannizzaro reaction. First one is the simple Cannizzaro reaction. Second type is cross Cannizzaro reaction, and third type is intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. So first type जो है, what is simple Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction between two similar aldehydes is called simple Cannizzaro reaction, and second type is cross Cannizzaro reaction. The reaction between two different aldehydes is called cross Cannizzaro reaction. And third type is the intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. The Cannizzaro reaction taking place within the molecule of an aldehyde is called intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. So now I am going to discuss these three different types of Cannizzaro reaction one by one. First, I am going to discuss simple Cannizzaro reaction. What is simple Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction between two similar aldehyde molecules is called simple Cannizzaro reaction. You can see this is the general reaction, and this is two molecule of benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond OH, and here two molecule of benzaldehyde, and this benzaldehyde will react in the presence of base, and we have used sodium hydroxide and OH. So sodium benzoate is formed plus benzyl alcohol is formed. This is sodium benzoate C6H5 C double bond ONA, sodium benzoate, and this is benzyl alcohol C6H5 CH2OH, and this is benzyl alcohol. Now, what is the mechanism of this reaction? Now I am going to discuss mechanism, and you people already know there are four different steps which are involved in the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. First step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. Second step is the transfer of hydride ion. Third step is the migration of proton, and fourth step is the formation of our product, means sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH. So now I am going to discuss the first step, and this hydroxyl ion OH ion will attack on this carbonyl carbon. This bond will be shifted to this, and this oxygen created negative charge. So C6H5C, here this hydroxyl ion will attach on this side, OH, oxygen, negative charge, and H. So this is the first step, attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. And second step is the transfer of hydride ion. This hydride ion, this H negative ion will shifted from this molecule to the next molecule of benzaldehyde. This is the second molecule of benzaldehyde, C6H5, C double bond O and H. So this oxygen, this negative charge of oxygen will shift to this, and here double bond formation will take place, and this hydride ion will shift from this aldehyde molecule to the second molecule of aldehyde, and this oxygen will be shifted to this oxygen, and this oxygen created negative charge. C6H5 C double bond O OH plus दिस कार्बन जो है सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ बेंजल्डिहाइड C कार्बन H and C6H5 and this oxygen have negative charge, so negative. Second step is the migration of proton. C6H5 C double bond OH plus C कार्बन, इसके साथ एक हाइड्रोजन है और एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ अटैच है. दिस इज अराइल ग्रुप, मेन्जाइल ग्रुप C6H5 phenyl group, and this is an oxygen and this oxygen have negative charge. This proton migration of proton and this proton will shift from this oxygen to this oxygen. जब ये हाइड्रोजन जो है यहाँ से शिफ्ट होगा तो ये खुद जो है डेफिशिएंट होकर निकलेगा. ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है इसी ऑक्सीजन को देगा और इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा. तो C6H5 C double bond O and this negative charge plus H carbon, the H and this is C6H5 and this is OH. And last step C6H5 जो है C double bond O negative, and last step is the formation of our product. This sodium ion will go to this molecule of aldehyde. So formation of sodium benzoate will take place. C6H5 C double bond O and A. This is sodium benzoate and this is benzyl alcohol. So this is the general reaction and this is the mechanism of the reaction, and these are the different steps which are involved in the mechanism of this reaction. Now I am going to the second type of Cannizzaro reaction, that is Cross-Cannizzaro reaction. As you already know, in Cross-Cannizzaro reaction, the reaction which is taking place between two different aldehyde molecules is called Cross-Cannizzaro reaction. This is the general reaction. This is formaldehyde H C double bond O H. This is formaldehyde and this is benzaldehyde. Two molecules, two different molecules. First one is formaldehyde and second one is benzaldehyde. And these benzaldehyde molecules will react in the presence of base, and this here we use base, that is sodium hydroxide. So this is and we will get sodium formate plus benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH. So our product is sodium formate and benzyl alcohol. Now we will discuss the mechanism of the reaction. This is the general reaction, and now we will discuss the mechanism of the reaction, and there are different steps which are involved in the mechanism of this reaction. First step you already know, that is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon, and this hydroxyl ion will attack to this carbonyl carbon, and this bond will be shifted to this oxygen, and this oxygen created negative charge. The first step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. तो यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन है यानी ये एक्ट करेगा एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल के तौर पे. सेकंड स्टेप जो है that is the transfer of hydroxide ion. This is the second step, and here transfer of hydroxide ion will take place, and this is the second molecule of aldehyde. The second molecule is benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond O, and this is H. So this oxygen will shift to this, and here double bond formation will take place, and this hydroxide ion will shift from this molecule to the second molecule, and second molecule is benzaldehyde. So H is C double bond O H OH, and this is HC carbon C6H5 and H, and oxygen have negative charge, O negative. And second step is the migration of proton. second step में क्या होगा, ये प्रोटॉन जो है ये माइग्रेशन होगी, प्रोटॉन का माइग्रेट करेगा और ये इस मॉलिक्यूल से सेकंड मॉलिक्यूल की तरफ जाएगा. तो ये प्रोटॉन यहाँ से यानी इस ऑक्सीजन से दूसरे ऑक्सीजन की तरफ जा रहा है, तो ये अपना ये खुद डेफिशिएंट होकर निकलेगा, ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है इस ऑक्सीजन को देगा और इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर जो है नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा, जिस तरह आप देख रहे हो फिगर के अंदर। तो एच सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ ओ ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड हियर एच कार्बन, कार्बन के साथ दिस phenyl group C6H5 and this is H and this is OH. So this is the third step, and third step is the migration of proton. And last step is the formation of our product, that is the formation of sodium formate and benzyl alcohol. You can see here H C double bond O is oxygen have negative charge. This is C6H5 CH2OH. Sodium ion will go to this. So here ultimately formation of sodium formate will take place. HC double bond O and this is sodium formate and this is benzyl alcohol. So this is the last step and this is the formation of our product. This is the general reaction. You can see here this one is sodium formate and this one is benzyl alcohol. And you can see the last step of the reaction of the mechanism of this reaction. This is sodium formate and this is benzyl alcohol. So this is Karasz-Catanzaro reaction. The reaction which is taking place with two different molecules of an aldehyde is called Karasz-Catanzaro reaction. And third type, that is intramolecular Catanzaro reaction. The Catanzaro reaction which are taking place within the molecule of an aldehyde is called intramolecular Catanzaro reaction. Intramolecular Catanzaro reaction में this is the general reaction, and you can see this is the formula of glyoxal in the presence of base sodium hydroxide, and here we will get sodium glycolate. This is sodium glycolate. This is the general reaction of this reaction of this intramolecular Catanzaro reaction. And now you are going to the mechanism of this reaction. As you know, there are different steps which are involved in the mechanism of the reaction. First, that is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. This hydroxyl ion will attack on this carbonyl carbon, and this bond between carbon and oxygen, this bond will be shifted to this oxygen, and this oxygen create negative charge. Carbon H, this oxygen negative charge, OH double bond OH. Second step is the migration of second step is the transfer of hydride ion. This hydride ion will migrate from this carbon to this carbon. ये हाइड्राइड आयन जो है यहाँ से माइग्रेट करके इस कार्बन से दूसरे कार्बन की तरफ जाएगा, और ये इस कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के दरमियान जो बॉन्ड है, ये बॉन्ड इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, तो इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट हो जाएगा, और ये वाला नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड बनाएगा, और ये यू कैन सी दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ माइग्रेशन, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ माइग्रेशन, एंड दिस इज हाइड्राइड आयन, ये ट्रांसफर ऑफ हाइड्राइड आयन, C double bond OH, C carbon is H and O negative. And third step is the migration of proton, and you can see this hydrogen will migrate from this oxygen towards this oxygen. तो यहाँ प्रोटॉन की माइग्रेशन हो रही है, ये हाइड्रोजन जो है ये यहाँ से माइग्रेट करके इस ऑक्सीजन की तरफ जा रहा है, और ये खुद डेफिशिएंट होकर जा रहा है, और ये अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है इस ऑक्सीजन को दे रहा है, और इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा। तो C double bond O negative, carbon H and OH. So this is the third step, and third step is the migration of proton. Now I am going to the fourth step, that is our last step, and here in this step formation of our product. This sodium ion will go to this, so ultimately formation of sodium glycolate formation will take place. C double bond O and A, C H and OH. This is the sodium glycolate. So this is intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. The Cannizzaro reaction, which is taking place within the molecule of an aldehyde, is called intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. So this is the general reaction of intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction, and this is the mechanism of this reaction, and these are the different steps which are involved in the mechanism of this reaction, and ultimately we will get our product, that is sodium glycolate. So this is the different types of Cannizzaro reaction. So first we have discussed what is Cannizzaro reaction. In my previous lecture, people have already. First one is the introduction, second one is the reaction condition, third one is reactant, then products, then general reaction, then mechanism, then different steps of mechanism. First step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon, second step is the transfer of hydride ion, third step is the migration of proton, fourth step is the formation of our product and methanol and alcohol. And now we have discussed the three different types of Cannizzaro reaction: simple Cannizzaro reaction, cross Cannizzaro reaction, intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction, along with the general reaction and mechanism. And now I am going to discuss the application of Cannizzaro reaction. We have two applications. First application is preparation of alcohol. Alcohol can be prepared by this reaction. For example, benzaldehyde is reduced by formaldehyde in the presence of potash in methanol to give 80% benzyl alcohol, जो कि हम बना चुके हैं रिएक्शन के अंदर. Second application is preparation of explosive with the help of cross Cannizzaro reaction. We can prepare pentaerythritol, which is later converted into tetra nitrate ester, that is an explosive. So this is all about Cannizzaro reaction. तो इस तरह हमने इस चैप्टर के अंदर हमने तीन टॉपिक डिस्कस किए. We have discussed three topics in this chapter. The name of the chapter is organic reactions. Organic reactions में first topic that we have discussed, that is Bohr-Kirschner reduction reaction. Second topic that we have discussed, that is beer vinegar oxidation या beer vinegar reaction. And third topic that we have discussed in this chapter, that is Cannizzaro reaction. In my next lecture, we will discuss Perkin reaction या Perkin condensation, and then we will discuss Diel-Elders reaction.